So this is a very cold start to this vlog. It is pretty much 3:30 today. It's a Thursday on the 10th of November, and I uploaded a vlog a couple of days ago now that I just filmed afternoon, and I thought it'd be good to do that again because it was around a 20-minute video. So for me just filming that afternoon is quite a good video or vlog. So I thought I would do that again because I want to film 2 videos. I want to film like what I've achieved with having cerebral palsy and things like that. It might sound cringy to some people, like I don't know if it's gonna be a good video. I really don't know, but someone on the Facebook group that I'm on, who, like, they're all YouTubers, we all do different types of content. I asked on there what type of content would you watch, what type of content should I do. This is my genre, this is the videos I do, and someone just suggested for me to do my achievements with having the disabilities I have. Sorry if I sound a bit weird, like when I go really cold, I'm going to put a jumper on in a minute, my voice changes, like it goes like shaky, or it feels like it goes shaky because I get too cold. But that's on the next topic of the video I'm going to film as well, is thing I just thought I was going to call it things you need, so you should do if you have cerebral palsy in the winter. But I think because of what's happening right now, and with every single money thing that costs money goes up, like the cost of living is going up, I think I'm going to call it things you need to get if you have cerebral palsy in the winter, or something in the lines of that, or just a disability that makes you cold. I don't know yet, but that video is going to go up on Vlogmas, so keep an eye on that if you want to know what you can purchase or do. I'm going to do a mixture of things that you probably already have to things that they might be a bit expensive, but in the long run it is worth it, like one of those there. But to start off this vlog, I'm going to be tidying my room once again, and then I will set up to film a video. I also want to plan out, I've got a weekly planner now, so I also want to plan out my week after my holidays, because I'm off after this weekend that I work. I'm off for a week, cannot wait. So I'm going to film loads of content then, and we're going to go Christmas shopping. Literally, that is when the Christmas spirit is gonna come out. So now I've just got my desk to clear, and it's not that bad to be honest, but I do want to move my shoe drawer thing, I don't know what you would call it, like my little shoe display, to where it was last year. So before I move this over here, I'm going to try it over there. I've just measured it, and I think it might fit, but see, the drawer that's over there is pretty much empty, so I want to get rid of that, but for now I'll need to take the drawer over there, over here, and put that over there. I think it might work. If it does, hopefully I like it. then mind the bed. But then I've got this little corner that is cute now. Well, it was cute before. I can actually see myself this time. And then I'm gonna put that over there. I'm just organising it now. So it's the next day now, and as you can see, my room is a bit different. I actually quite like this background, but I need to put them bags away today. I'm gonna walk the dogs, make my bed, and just sort everything else out. I didn't expect this to be a proper like cleaning vlog, but here you go. I've changed my room about. I might actually, well, I will film at least one video today, but first things I need to do is tidy the surrounding of my room, walk the dogs, and then have lunch, and then I might film a video. I was meant to go live last night on TikTok, but I was too busy doing this. So let's get ready for the day. I've officially found my Christmas. What I got for Christmas vlog set up. I'm sure I've done it like this before, but with my all stand. But now I've got my dressing table there. This is a good like morning vlog. I just cannot wait for the Christmas vlogs. I feel like vlogs you can like show more, and I'm more creative with vlogs. Like this vlogmas is gonna be amazing, even though I'm not doing the full, well, I keep on saying I'm not doing the full vlogmas. I think by this point, the amount of vlogs I'm gonna probably film, I might be ending up doing vlogmas. But I've said to all of you guys, I'm not doing vlogmas because in case I can't get the vlogs out or the videos out that well. But I might do a sit down video here because it's just chill. But when I have my blinds open, you can still see it, you can see it there. But I can easily put my ring light here and have it. That's what I'm going to do later. But back to getting ready. So I've now filmed at least the Christmas video. I didn't end up filming the achievement video, but I can do that in the upcoming week because I've got this weekend of work and then I'm off for quite a while. Well, for a week. But for filming content and doing things, that's quite a long time. Because normally now, 2 days or 3 days feels like a week. So this is going to feel like I've been off for ages. But it's much needed. And I'm going to film so much content and do so much Christmas shopping. But for now, I'm going to run a bath. And we're going to get ready for work tomorrow. Because I need to wash my hair and wash my body, of course. And I'm going to watch Celebrity. I'm a Celebrity, Get Me Out of Here.